I'll guide you through how to build a solid LinkedIn profile. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and navigate to LinkedIn.com. On the homepage, click Login in the top right corner and sign in with your credentials. Once logged in, click your profile icon and select Profile View. To start editing, click the pencil icon in your profile section. Here, you can set your pronouns and create a headline. For example, I'm a business owner at Lawrence Company. Add your current position by entering your job title, selecting your employment type, and adding your company name. Then save your changes. Next, update your education by selecting your most recent school. You can also refine your location details and edit your contact information by adding your profile URL, phone number, address, birthday, or personal website. For instance, your business website. When all the details are set, click Save to store your profile updates. Finally, change your profile photo by clicking your current image. Selecting Update Photo, then upload a solid photo. Choose your desired image, click Open, adjust it to fit, and finish by clicking Save Photo.